Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send Solana to Solflare wallet. So let's get into the video. So you can use any of your crypto app platforms to send it to your Solflare wallet. So here in this video I will use Bybit as an example. So when I get to my Bybit here, log into my Bybit account. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to this assets option tab here. When you get to assets tab here, so click on withdraw. So when you get to withdraw and then select Sol, because we're going to use Sol now, so I'm just going to choose Sol. Okay, so let me look for it. There you go. So select Sol, and once you have selected that, and for the address you simply have to paste your Solflare wallet address, so you can get that from your Solflare account. So just paste that address and then the network address based on your Solflare account, and then here you're going to put the amount that you wish to send, and then once everything is done, just simply hit on withdraw, and that way then that's how you can send it to your Solflare wallet. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.